Hola amigos, welcome back. So we got the X5 yesterday and we are at this dude's house. Beautiful home. He does some window tinting. We're gonna get some window tint on the front side windows, mainly because that the car, we don't like having the fishbowl. It's one thing we absolutely hated about the 5 Series. So that's what we're having done right now. We can go in the garage and check it out. All done with the tint. Thank you for helping us on that one. Randy helped us out, hooked us up. You can give a shout out to
AA Tint Pro.
AA Tint Pro. AA Tint Pro in Yuma. So hit him up. He did a great job. Better than anything I would do. Can't even see in there. It's exactly what she wanted. To not be seen by everybody in Yuma. But
bye-bye, baby girl.
We're gonna roll on out. We're gonna go get some food that he recommended. That's just down the road. BMW looks great. I'm gonna grab a card from him, and we're gonna do a couple more mods before we end this vlog. So we'll see you back at home. We made it back to the house. You are putting your seatbelt back on. I just took it off you. Take it off. Take it off. What are you doing? Here, just come on. We're getting out. Just get it back on. What are you doing? What are you doing, girl? Next mod we're actually going to do for this is a common one that we did last time. She just put her seatbelt back on again. We're going to remove that trashy front plate. Yuck. It is so hot out right now. You guys don't understand. It's like 109 currently, and yesterday was 118. 118. Yeah, we have something to show you that just came in the mail that actually Yasi ordered. I ordered it as a surprise, but hers came first, clearly, and I don't know what we're gonna do there. But we both had the same thing in mind of what we wanted to change to this car now that we have a modifiable secondary car, and the Subaru is nearly complete, so we can really vamp up this X5. Go show them.
Let's go show them.
Let's go show them. What are you doing? Are you already posting? Are you already posting?
No, I'm sending pictures. It's my new friend.
To your new friend. Who's your new friend? Hi, big girl. What do you have? Why do you have an Audi key? Oh, great. Dude. Aria just found an extra key for the Audi, so I'll send that to you. Cool. What did you get? Sorry, I should say. What did you get?
I got blacked out kidney grills.
Blackout. Give me that. What are you doing? It's not how you uninstall kidney grills, girl. So we got blacked out kidney grills, huh?
Yes, sir.
When we say blacked out, we mean it because we hate this chrome trim, which also follows along with the rest of the car as far as like the window trim, and I don't really know what we're gonna do with the side skirts because that technically those are running boards. So we may replace those as well, but I'm just not entirely sure how we're gonna go about fixing that. But the kidney grills, a very easy install. As far as I know, should just be able to pop out the hood and remove that top panel, and then get the clips and pop everything out, and we should be good. I really hope we don't have to remove the front bumper, but we're gonna find out because I don't work on BMWs. This is the first BMW I'm really, well, E36, but that thing was cake. That was like a Honda. So I was able to get one of them off, and it's pretty simple. So it's always easier to see the design of things that you cannot see versus just going in blind. So there are all these clips right here, as you guys can see. I use a very small, I wish I had a bigger one, so if you have a bigger one, but a trim tool remover, and I just went in between here and just push down, and you can see where they go in. So you're gonna have one line right here, a little silver part right here, and another one right there. There's also one on this side and one on the outside. And then on the bottom, you can't see them, but there is I don't think you guys are gonna be able to see, but so you're gonna fill these lines right here. So as soon as you get to the very back of them, there is, you can see my fingers kind of peeping through there maybe. as soon as you get to the back, that's where the kidney grill actually ends, and you can slip your tool on the back side here. So if I do this with one hand, I might lose my tool, but you can see a little lip there that is in the back, and just shove your trim tool in there and basically pry them off. Just slide down, pry them off, slide down, pry them off. Eventually it'll come out, and then when you get to the side and the inner, you just got to go in here and then pry again. Just do it carefully. I don't think, I didn't break any, so it seems like a pretty easy removal, but I'll go ahead and do it and you guys can watch me do it. Sorry it is so dark to see in there, I don't have a flashlight, but it's just on the other side of these pieces right here. So on the other side here, good to go, just pry it off and it'll slide off, and then we can slide on the new ones. So these are going to be the new ones that we were talking about. They seem pretty nice. It should be a gloss black, which will be so much better than that chrome. The chrome is just ugly. We're getting it from Seine Art, probably Asian. Ooh, and it's very nice. Ooh, and what was that? Oh, clips. Okay, why are clips falling out? So we're gonna have to check that out, but we'll see. All right, thank you. So one more thing we actually do need to remove, looking at these new kidney grills, is this actual part right here. So, give you guys a look. These actually have little pop clips out here, so we're gonna push down on those and slide them out. I didn't know, my bad.
That's right.
We're just gonna pop this out real quick. I'll try and show you guys exactly what I'm doing. So obviously we took out the top covers, which is the chrome piece, but in order for these new ones to fit, so they're gonna have a little clip like right here. There's gonna be a clip right here, one side, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you're going to be going for is this top piece right here. So there's that little nipple at the top. You guys can see I'm trying to touch it. It's the very top piece. Maybe this will be easier to show you. So I just kind of take my fork pry tool from the top, and then I lift down, and then you should be able to just pull it out from here, because all you have to do is push down this, so you guys can see. There's that top piece, that little nipple, push down, and then it'll slide out. So I kind of need 2 hands for it, but you do it all the way around, just lifting them up. It's probably easier if I do it this way. Lifting it up and pulling out, so you guys can kind of see every single one of these little nipples. This top one, right in line with here, I know it's out of focus, but right there, that one. Now, if you do push them back in to kind of get some leverage, they catch. They catch really easily, and then you have to redo it and pull it out again because it recatches. So these are very secure, so that's good to know, but just giving you guys a heads up. These are out officially, and those are going in. Let's get this done. It is too hot. Looks way better. How about some before and afters, and the good look with this hood down and all this cleaned up. Let's do it. Fully installed, they look super sexy. Quick little upgrade second mod, kind of second mod for the BMW. We'll just call it second mod for the X5. Dude, that looks way more mean. I'm surprised how much of a change this has made, but it's gonna be little things as we go along, just because I want to be responsible with this and do it the right way. So I gotta do a lot more research and find out exactly what I want to do. If you own an F15 X5 or any car with an N55 motor, please hit me up. I would love to hear your opinions and your experiences with the engine and what you would go with. So far right now, I'm looking at two specific brands, VFSR or VSRF. Honestly, I've looked at the page like twice. And then also Berger Motorsports, which I know has a really good amount of parts that are good for the N55 motor. So that's what we're working on, at least soon to be. I'm also planning on doing the first major mod here soon, hopefully within the next month. But like I said, things are coming slowly and I gotta work on it piece by piece. But as far as the first thing goes, Yasi decided to do the exterior, and the exterior is the kidney grille, so, and it looks so much better, as you guys can see. It's awesome, guys. Peace out, stay humble. I'll see you guys later.